Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve this quadratic equation where our x can't be equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start the today's video solution. So first I'm going to multiply x cubed throughout the bracket. So it becomes x power 5 minus 28 x cubed is equals to minus 171x. Now I'm going to add 171x to both sides. So the equation becomes x power 5 minus 28x cubed plus 171x is equals to 0. Now I'm going to take x as common. So x power 4 minus 28x square plus 171 is equals to 0. Now we have two factors. Either x will be 0 or x power 4 minus 28x square plus 171 will be 0. So the one of the value of x is 0. Now we are going to find the value of x with the help of case second. So now I can write x power 4 as x square whole square minus 28x square plus 171 equals 0. Now we are going to make a substitution. Let x square is equals to a. So the equation looks like a square minus 28a plus 171 equals 0. Now it's look like a quadratic equation, so we can do the middle terms. So we can write minus 28a as minus 19a minus 9a plus 171 equal 0. Now from the first two terms I can take a as common. So a minus 19 is left, and from the next two terms I can take minus 9 as common. So a minus 19 is left. Now a minus 19 is common, so I can take it out. A minus 19, and what is left? A minus 9 is equals to 0. Now again we have two cases. Case 1, when a minus 19 is equals to 0, and case second, when a minus 9 is equals to 0. So a minus 19 is equals to 0, so the value of a is 19, and as we know that we make a substitution, in place of a, we can write x square. So x square is equals to 19, so x is equals to under root 19. So we have two value of x, either plus 19, under root 19, or minus under root 19. Now comes to a minus 9, case second. So a is equals to 9. The value of a is x square. X square is equals to 9. So x is equals to under root 9. So x is equals to plus 3 or minus 3. So the five values of x is 0, x is plus under root 19, minus under root 19, plus 3, and minus 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.